This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. You're watching our Tiger Trading channel live and in person here in our digital studios here at Knight Capital Management. I appreciate you paying attention and watching this video. I look forward to working and helping with you soon. Now, what do? I'm a futures trader and also a coach and a teacher and a trainer. I've got over 25 years of experience. I hate to even say it's closer to 30 now, but I always say it's 25 years experience now. I've got experience in positional trading, spread trading, option trading, naked trading. Yeah, that's when you just take the trade. And right now, currently, we're in our room. We're demonstrating day trading. We're taking advantage of what we would consider volatility in the market, the background and the basis that I believe in, and kind of the way I moved my way into the trader that I am today is on volume spread analysis, or what's called VSA. That concept is very important to me. There's three components that's very important as a VSA trader: price, momentum, and volume. That's price, momentum, and volume. Now you got the price action. That can be demonstrated by your colored bars or by your price action bars, by bar charts, by candlesticks. I like looking at the bar charts, but other traders in our room use candlesticks as well. You also have what is momentum. Now, our momentum indicator for most of our trading strategy is the CCI line. If we don't use the CCI, then we use the Bollinger Bands but we have a momentum indicator. Our momentum indicator is what helps guide the trade. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to get into the trade. That's that third component, and probably the most important component is volume. When you look at volume, that in itself is a lot of times the answer to the momentum and also the answer to the price action. When you see a lot of these moves, these big strong moves that come in the market, the trend moves that you look for, that is what leads. You have the volume leads and then momentum, and then you see it in the price action chart as a form of a bar chart or as a form as a candlestick. But with that being said, what do we have to offer? Right now we have our YM trading strategy, which is coming out. We have our crude oil method we call the TCB, taking care of business, and we're working diligently to get our coaching program out here. What is the time frame for all this to come out? Right now, it's last weekend of May. We're looking at June, July, and August. Our first year in business will be at the end of August. Actually, our first day in business was September 1st of 2009, and our end of our first year will be September 1st, or I guess that would be August 31st of 2010. And I am so overwhelmed and appreciative of all the support that I've received over the last I guess 9 months now, as we're closing into our last quarter, June, July, and August. There's so much that I want to get into. There's so much I want to talk about. Right now we just hit the tip of the iceberg in day trading. I want to get into option trading maybe sometime in the future, but more importantly, I like spread trading, I like positional trading, but we're going to concentrate on the day trading methods here, at least from 2010 into 2011. So we look to get all our products that we have right now. Well, I'm a futures trader. We look at markets like the 30-year bond, we look at the euro currency. There's actually 15 different markets that we look: gold, oil, the E-mini S&P, the E-mini Dow. There's so many different markets that we trade, but some of the most important methods that I really like, the one with the highest volatility right now, is crude oil. That is our method that we're specializing in, and we're coming out. Our next product that's going to be released, and it's going to be released in the month of June, will be our TCB method, our what I call taking care of business in crude oil. This is a very powerful strategy. We use the Bollinger Bands. It uses a very tight, we use our 5-minute chart, we use a 300 tick chart, and we use a 150 tick chart as well. Or you call it trades. So we have 150 trades, 300 trades, and a 5-minute chart to kind of give us the direction of the trade, to help us determine which way. And we're still using our VSA concept with the volume spread analysis. This is very exciting stuff that's coming out. A lot of people have been waiting for me to come out and put some stuff on the paper, put stuff that you can just hard copy and read. That is coming this summer. We've been working very, very hard to get all this developed in the background and getting it proofed and making everything look good and putting our videos together and putting the high definition touch to them. This is all being put together right behind me. Yeah, well, not actually behind me, but you know what I mean. Anyway, We're very, very excited for our last quarter. The first 3 quarters of our business has been phenomenal. We have been so overwhelmed with the support that we received, and we look forward to working with you. May was our best month ever in our trading room. And we look forward, and we keep growing our room, we keep growing our strategy, and we keep taking those nice, disciplined, patient, self-controlled trades on for winning more times than we lose. If you're losing out there, come on in, take us in. You get a 14-day trial for less than $10 US. That's going to give you a great time to sit there and kick the tires and figure out if we got what you need. All right, so that's my pitch. As far as books that I'm reading that I really like right now, hey, Jeffrey Gitomer, if I'm mispronouncing his name, I apologize, but right now he's got a book called The Little Book of the Yes Attitude. And I think that, having a positive mental attitude, we've talked about that in some of our other videos here in the Tiger Trading Channel. And this book just reinforces that. I talked about Jim Rohn and some of the others, motivational, self-help motivational books. If you've got problems in your trading, more times than not, it's coming from the psychology. You can have a winning trading system and still be a losing trader. Why? Because it's just like that mouse example. You think about that, the MIT example of the mice and the box, and if the mice figured out if they would just go left 60% of the time, they would get the cheese. So they always went left. The MIT students took the same problem and tried to figure it out, and figured out they could never see the picture that if they just went left, you could get 60%. As a day trader, you're trying statistically to take on the best possible trades that you can take into your trading system and your trading method. That is is basically what we do in our trading room. That's what's coming out in our coaching program. That's what's coming out in our digitally produced materials as we put together our methods. We look forward to seeing you in our room. We look forward to working with you. We're revamping our whole website right now. It's actually pretty cool what's coming out in the near future. I look forward to working with you. Get in on this ground floor opportunity before we really take off. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I wish you all the best in your trading. I look forward to working with you. If there's anything that I can do to help you, just let me know. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.